Nobody else had a clue what I could do, what I could do. We're right around love, right around the trip, right around the dick.
Hi guys, so right here I'm just showcasing some of our work. This is our 8-inch size small, and here we have our 3 inches. This is great for starter locks or just to add on to already existing locks. We also customize, we offer any color of your choice. And this is where we're going to get into the video. My amazing customer ordered she ordered 6-inch size extra small. So you can just ignore that noise in the background. My baby was watching her cartoon. So let's get right into this video. Okay guys, so here as you can see, I love to prep my bundles before starting the lock extensions. It makes the process much easier for me. So as you can see, I have small pieces patched out already. This is what the extensions are looking like so far. So guys, this is what the bundle looks like. It comes in a very thin net, and I absolutely love the quality of the hair. It's very kinky, it's very tight, and it makes your lock extensions come out much sturdier, much more durable once you know exactly what you're doing and that you're doing a good job at creating them. Yeah, that's my baby in the background. Okay guys, this is a final look. I love my tags, they're super cute. And here we always ensure to measure the length and width of our lock extensions just to confirm with the customer before sending out our orders.
I don't wanna slap me, don't wanna feel